Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to prepare shallots curry without coconut and tamarind. This is a perfect side dish for rice, roti, chapati, idlis and dosas. For the curry you can take around 15 to 20 shallots, and if you don't get shallots you can go for onions. You can take 2 and chop them into pieces. You have to give a small cut like this for all the shallots. To this, let us add a little salt and some chilli powder and give a nice mix. Leave these shallots aside, we are going to use it later. Next, take a mixie jar, add 1 green chilli and 2 big tomatoes. Grind this into a fine paste. Tomato paste is ready, set this aside. Now let us start the curry. For the curry, take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil in it. Here I am using sesame oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of black gram. Once the mustard starts popping, add 1 chopped onion, few curry leaves, half a teaspoon of ginger paste and half a teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute everything well until the onions are translucent and the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes off. Once the onions are done, we can add the masalas: half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala and half a teaspoon of chilli powder. Saute everything well for a few minutes. Here you can see that the oil got separated. At this stage, add the tomato paste. The tomato paste has to get cooked well. You have to saute this until this becomes thick. Here you can see the oil getting separated again. At this stage, you can add some water. You can add around a cup. To this, add the required amount of salt and 1 cup of curd. If you don't have curd, you can add yogurt. Bring this to a boil. Once it starts boiling, you can add the shallots. Let us close this and cook for a few minutes. The onions has to get cooked well and the oil has to get separated. This is perfect. As a final touch, let us add some chopped coriander leaves. So here our shallot curry is ready. Do give this a try. This will taste so good. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do share, like and comment our videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.